Warning, once you learn these Canva secrets, there's no going back. You will learn how to create this, and a lot of tips and tricks in this video. Stick around because I'm about to reveal 10 game-changing tricks that only 1% of users know. So let's start the video.
If you are new to Canva, then Canva's template library will be a game changer. You can search for anything like food, Instagram post, and you will find pre-made templates which you can use in your designs. You can drag and drop your elements in all of these templates. Let me quickly show you how. Let me select these to template. Click Customize. Now you can adjust, delete, or upload your image into this new design. Not only that, you can further customize it by going into Elements, search for your item and input in your design. Like I said earlier, this is game changer for new Canva users. You can play with all the templates that is available in Canva. Next in our list is Color Palette. When designing for your Instagram post, this feature will be very helpful, as Canva will automatically detect the color combination that will be suitable for your design. Here is a quick hack. If you have your brand color, then upload it in Canva. Click on Apply Color to Page. Then Canva will auto-detect it and will give you best possible combination. Now let me show you how you can change font and color combination. Simply go to Design and select Font Combinations. Now Canva will auto-apply font as well. This will save you a lot of time, and less people are aware about this feature. Do you know that you can create professional motion graphic animation in Canva? I have made a detailed video on the topic, make sure you check that out. Let me quickly show you how to animate in Canva. First, input your assets from Element tab. Then go to Graphic and find what you are looking for, in my case background. Now let's use another character. Now to get animated character, click on 3 dot. Then filter animated only. Now this way you will only see animated characters. Let me select this one. Now click on this animate button. Then this B icon. Then drag the character from one side to other. Select animation style to smooth or steady. And there you have it, a smooth animation. Before we learn how to create this, let's learn about Canva Apps first. Do you know Canva has its own app library where are more than 1,000 apps? You can see on your left side there is App section. Don't worry, I have made top 10 Canva Apps video, where I have selected the app which are useful for our daily need. For this example, I will show you one app which I found super useful. You may have seen this type of images which are made in Photoshop. Well, let me show you up inside Canva which is capable of making this type of images. First, let's have 2 images our project. On your left side, click on App and search for Image Blend. Click on this app. You simply need to drag the cursor. You can play around to get the best result. You can drag the position of the image as well. Next up is bringing text inside video. Use one video. Now input a text box. Adjust its position. Now on the search for this font. This will easily create a text inside video. Let me show you another way. Write your text. Now duplicate the video. Click on Remove Background. This will remove video background. Right-click. You need to click on Layers. Show Layers. Then you will see all the elements. Now duplicate the text. Go to Effects and select Halo Effect. Now you will have this nice effect. This trick is essential if you are doing motion animation in Canva. For example, you have this design and you want phone, house, and car to pop up after each other. First, we will animate each element by clicking on Animate and select Animate to pop. Similarly, do this for all the element. But as you can see, all the elements are coming out on same timing. Now to adjust its timing, simply right-click and click on Element Timing. And reduce its timing. Now do the same for other element. You need to click each element and it will show its timing section. Now you can see elements are displaying one after another. Shortcuts that will save you a lot of time. Click on File, then Setting, then click on Show Rulers and Guide. This way you can see the guide, which will help you to design more precisely. Simply drag from the edge of the screen. Now here are other keyboard shortcuts like getting circle, rectangle. I will list all the shortcuts in the description. Press to get shortcuts so that you don't have to find in the Elements tab. Finally, I will show you how to get this neon effect. Select Image. Then click on this option to grab the car. This will separate background from main object. Now add text box and write your text. Change font type. Adjust the position. Change the color of the text. Click on Effect and select Neon Effect. Now you have this cool effect, but the animation is still not complete yet. Duplicate the text by clicking on this icon. Now on the duplicated text, again click on Effect and select Hello Effect. Right-click and go to Layers, Show Layers. Bring the text back of the car. You can further customize it according to your need. Now finally click on the neon effect text. Then click on Animate. Scroll down and you will see this neon animation. But you can experiment with different option. Select Neon Effect. Click on it. And select by character. And there you have it. Number 10 on our list is cutout. You may have seen professional photo in social media. To make this type, simply upload image to remove its background. Then use gradient background. Click on Edit. Then Shadow. Click Glow. Adjust its position and number. Now to add circle. Go to Elements and search for circle. Then go to Graphic tab. Select any circle from here. That's it guys, hope you learned something from this video.